Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering your job no longer exists, not because you failed, but because the world changed. Right now, 205 million people are unemployed globally. By 2023, automation could erase 85 billion jobs. But this isn't just a crisis, it's a wake up call. Imagine a world where billions of people are not just out of work but are trapped in uncertainty. Dreams put our hold and potential left untrapped. Unemployment isn't just a number on a chart, it's a human crisis affecting families, communities, and the global economy. Imagine a young professional freshly graduated and overflowing with ambition standing outside an office building that has been shuttered for months. Now picture a middle-aged artist who built a career with decades of experience only to see their role replaced by machines. Every day, million faces as uncertainty as economic trends and technological shifts leave them behind. A young engineer, freshly graduated of college, full of ideas and ambitions, finds he is jobless because technology is reshaping the market faster than he can adopt. Across town, a seasonal factory worker lost his long-held job due to automation, struggled to prove for his family. Now multiply these stories by millions around the world. Global estimated for the International Labour Organization tell us that even a small increase in unemployment can affect over 200 million people. But here is the twist. What if we could turn this crisis into an opportunity? What if we could turn this painful reality of joblessness into the sharp for the revolution in our economy? Today we will explore unemployment from every angle, its hidden causes, its deep personal and societal impacts, and how initiatives, deep ideas can reshape the future of work. This isn't just about lost jobs, it's about lost potential, activity, and opportunity to build something better for all of us. Unemployment isn't new. In 1933, 25% of Americans lost jobs due to the Great Depression. In 2022, COVID-19 wiped up to 255 million jobs in months. But today, crisis is different. It's not about recursion. It's about technology, inequality, and the broken system. Let's break it down. Self-checkouts, AI chatbots, and robots are replacing humans. 40% of employees say workers lack critical skills. Jobs move to cheaper labor market, leaving communities stranded. 1 in 5 young people cannot find work. Women's unemployment is 50% higher than men's in developing nations. There are several classes of unemployment. Traditional unemployment occurs when people are moving between jobs or entering the workforce for the first time. Deep-seated unemployment happens when skills no longer match with employers' needs. A result of rapid technological changes are shifting marketing demand. Behind every chart and graph, there are human stories of struggle, resilience, and success in future. Consider David, a 48-year-old retail worker from a mid-sized city. After years of dedicated service, David's job was outsourced to an online retailer. Suddenly, he found himself at a crossroads, forced to reskill and reimagine his career path. Now consider Lena, a bright, ambitious graduate in graphic design, whose creative portfolio is with potential. Despite her talent, Lena faced rejection after rejection because companies prioritize candidates with experience that she simply does not have yet. Then there is Ronald, a skilled technician who lost his factory jobs due to automation. Rather than giving up, Ronald enrolled in training and learning to maintain that very machine that once replaced him. Today, he is a part of growing trends of working and themselves together along a training way. For the unemployed, time moves slowly. Throughout history, leaders have spoken about the need of change. Consider these words. Unemployment is not just a statistic, it is a human tragedy that undetermines our collective future. Our greatest resources is our people. When we invest in them, we invest in our future. The future of a nation depends on how well it protects opportunity. These quotes remind us that unemployment is a challenge we must face together, that inspire us to take action and work together, a society where every person's potential is recognized. Consider some examples. Maria, I sent 200 resumes, nothing. I feel invisible. The factory closed. Now I drive Uber, but it's not enough, James. Unemployment isn't just fictional, it's emotional. Suicide rates rise by 1.6% for every 1% increase in unemployment. Fewer jobs mean less spending, which in turn affects local businesses, house marketing, and public infrastructure. Socially, the impact is equally profound. Prolonged joblessness can lead to increased rate of mental health issues such as anxiety and depression. Families may face chronic financial stress, which can strain relationships and limit educational opportunities for children. Community coherence often weakens, and the sense of purpose that work provides fades away. Development is freedom. When people are on work, they have the opportunity to exercise their freedom, and that loss affects us all. Poverty isn't a lack of character, it's a lack of cash. The future isn't all doom. By 2030, green energy could create 24 million jobs. Remote work opens doors for rural communities, but only if we adopt. AI could create 97 million new jobs by 2025. Universal basic income trials boost employment by 12% in Finland. Imagine cities where every community center double as a hub for reskilling program where technology and human talent work in cycles. Envision a future where government, educators, and businesses collaborate to ensure that every worker have access to the training they need for the job of tomorrow. 400 million jobs lost AI by 2023. But 555 new tech-driven roles would emerge. Automation will reduce the need for human labor, but not human identity. Jobs are not just about income, they are about dignity. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Converting trunk fleet to natural gas could create 500,000 US jobs while cutting emissions. Wage sustainables for hiring long-term unemployed. Upskilling via platforms like courses support work-opened cooperatives. Unemployment teach cruel lessons if we are brave enough to learn from them. Initiatives like microcredit and startup accelerator help people turn idea into businesses. Consider Maria's story. By taking a chance on herself, she not only found a new career but also her community. While automation can displace jobs, it can also create them. Government and corporation must work together to ensure that technological advancements are paired with strategies for workforce development. This means investing in emerging sectors and ensuring that workers are not left behind in the digital revolution. Unemployment is a choice, not a law of nature. We build systems that create this crisis. We can build better ones. Unemployment is one of the most complex challenges of our time, but it also offers opportunity. By rethinking education, reforming policies, encouraging initiatives, and building supportive community, we can overlay the way to future where every individual has the chance to contribute and to succeed. The journey begins with each of us. By supporting initiatives, educating for smart policies, and lifelong learning, we can turn crisis into opportunity and transform our world. Thank you for joining me today. Let's work together to create a future where every person finds his place in an incredible economy. Share your thoughts in the comment below. Demand change. Support policies that put people first. It's a possibility. Thank you.